Scorpions have several distinguishable features that set them apart from other arachnids. Exoskeleton. Scorpions have a hard, chitinous exoskeleton that provides protection and support. Pincers. They possess large, powerful pincers used for capturing prey and defense. Tail. The segmented tail ends in a venomous stinger used for hunting and defense. Venomous stinger. The stinger injects venom to subdue prey or deter predators, varying in potency across species. Body segmentation. Their body is divided into two main parts, the cephalothorax and the abdomen. Eyes. Most scorpions have multiple eyes, typically a pair of median eyes on top of the head and several pairs of lateral eyes on the sides. Pectins. Unique to scorpions, these cone-like sensory organs on the underside help in detecting vibrations and chemical signals. Chelicerae. These small, claw-like mouthparts are used for feeding and handling prey. Nocturnal behavior. Most scorpions are nocturnal, becoming active at night to hunt and avoid predators. Fluorescence. Under ultraviolet light, scorpions exhibit a blue-green fluorescence due to compounds in their exoskeleton. Size and color variability. Scorpions range in size from small to large and exhibit various colors, from pale yellow to dark brown or black, often as camouflage in their environment. Molting. Scorpions molt several times throughout their life as they grow, shedding their old exoskeleton to develop a new, larger one. These features help scorpions adapt to a wide range of environments and make them effective predators.